So, folks, good morning, and I'm Sir Augustine, my junior year, reporting you to you from Criminal Court C here at the grounds of the judicial branch. We just witnessed the arrival of former finance minister Samuel D. Tweh here at Criminal Court C, being escorted by Aloysius Howe, his former public relations officer. Following hindering of his arrest upon his arrival in the country 1 a.m. this morning at the Roberts International Airport. As I speak to you now, the former finance minister is in there.
5 individuals, including the former Minister of Finance. So remain right here. We are not allowed to enter the court. So remain right here in front of Criminal Court C. The former Finance Minister, Samuel Tweh, has surrendered to the justice system here in Liberia. We are right before Criminal Court C, and this is a breaking news. He is so far the highest ranking that has been indicted by the government of Liberia. There's still an investigation ongoing involving the former Chief of Staff to President George Manning. We are now Senator Margilly County, Senator Nathaniel Fallow Magillo. That has now reached to an indictment yet concerning supplementary payroll at the Ministry of State when he served as minister at that ministry. But now talking about indictment, writ of arrest, and subsequently being turned over to the courts here in Liberia. Former Minister Samuel Tweh is the highest ranking official of the WIA's administration that has now entered the court here in Liberia. It is still a far cry from the process that you see one of his lawyers, Arthur Johnson, going into the sheriff's office. The government of Liberia announced that they had requested through Interpol a red notice to be placed on the former minister to have him arrested to come and face trial here in Liberia. The former minister opted not to have been arrested, but rather came in willingly into the country this morning. He was picked up, according to our sources, by family members and then taken to an unknown destination. We got the information that he turned himself over to the courts, and since we've been here, he has now done so. So he's now under the jurisdiction of the court here, Criminal Court C. Here at the Temple of Justice is where we are. Keep watching Spoon TV. His lawyers are moving out and about. That is his brother, Norris Tweh, one of the individuals that walked him into the court. And he's still in the sheriff's office. So we want to zoom a bit. Let's see when he shall exit again the sheriff's office and go before the judge. So wherever you're watching us from, the doors are being shut. So you can see one of the doors being shut.
Okay,
so
we are still here.
An angle to bring you what is unfolding. The Solicitor General of the Republic of Liberia is present. The Mosquito County Attorney is also present here. There is a heavy presence of state security surrounding the Temple of Justice. So all this is happening right at Criminal Court C. Minister Tweh has been vocal on social media. He termed his indictment as a witch hunt. He also, what the country was providing in his terms, clarity as to accusations against him. So now he has surrendered himself to the laws of Liberia. Keep watching. My name is Diamond Slanger. On the Spoon Network, right here at Criminal Court C. Minister Tweh, the former finance minister, the one of the top confidant, George Manalia, has turned himself over to the law. Whether or not the court is going to honor this bond, whether or not the bond that was filed by the three other co-defendants, because all of them have got one joint indictment, whether that bond will be honored and he will subsequently be let go of until the trial begins. We are watching how this proceeding is going to unfold. But all that now is at the discretion of the court. His lawyers, he's got a very, very, very strong liberty to argue why he should be granted a bond and whether or not the bond found, the 6 million bond filed by the Sky Insurance Company International on his behalf and on behalf of other co-defendants is going to Courtroom, is going to apply to his case as well. So folks, this is a far cry from...
Folks, Melvin, can we have you on our camera for a while? Let's talk to one of Liberia finance court reporter. He will give us more updates of what is happening currently in person. So, Honorable Tweh is about to step out. They're about to call. They're about to call in.
Make his way to the defendant's bench. His lawyer goes for him. Arthur Johnson goes for him. So, in a minute, there he is.
There he is. There is Elisha's Howard, and that of the former finance minister.
Making his way to the docket. So we cannot enter, but there you see the former finance minister.
It's quite unfortunate that we can't enter the court. Now the former finance minister made his way to the docket along with his team of lawyers. Coming to you live from Criminal Court C here on DN News Liberia. I am Sad Augustine Mario Jr. Coming to you live here this. Keep on share this live, please. Share. Like and drop more comments. So we hope to speak to some court reporters to provide more updates on court proceedings and matters here. We are not that educated towards the court proceedings, so we're hoping to speak to some of the court reporters. They will tell us how the proceedings go like. So the barrage of the police. So we will shut down and be right back. We're going to make some adjustment and be right back. Keep posted, keep following DN News Library, keep on sharing. And I'm Sad Augustine, my Junior behind the camera.